So I've struggled with my weight my entire life. Like it's just been crazy. I've been on this diet. I've literally tried every diet out there. I mean, everything. And so I said, you know what? Let me just start reading the Bible. Like, oh wow, right? Read the Bible. And I read every verse about eating, fasting, food, anything I could. And I just literally just read them over and over again.
Yeah.
And then I interviewed over 1,000 women. And now here's what I did. I asked them, you know, what'd you eat for breakfast? What'd you eat for lunch? What'd you drink? What'd you have? You know, all these questions. But I made sure that they were not obsessive compulsive about their eating. So if you were, you know, every time you ate something, you were going to run 5 miles or you were counting every calorie, counting every carb, counting it, then you didn't even count in my interview. Like these were people who are naturally thin, been thin their whole lives. They only eat when they're hungry. They stop before they're full, and they have no like this magnetic pull over food. You know, like they're the type of people that could literally have a thing of donuts sitting on the edge of their desk or candy at the edge of their desk. But if they weren't hungry, they wouldn't eat it. And so those are the people that I interviewed. And so I then created 10 biblical principles from all those verses that I read. Then I also created 10 Chantel Rayway principles that I really got from all these thin eaters. And that's what the book is about.
That is awesome.
Yes.
I love that.